with the youngsters how my sister and Jija got together in this bond of holy matrimony about 50 years ago. This is especially for the children who actually have not grown up over here. So they don't have a concept of marriage and how sometimes courtship took place 50 years ago. 50 years if you were seen with a guy, a nice looking girl, if she was seen with a guy, my goodness, that was the death of that girl. Really, I mean the brothers would be after her, ये क्या कर दिया तुमने? हमारे खानदान की इज्जत को तबाह कर दिया. Right? So that was not really nice. But, क्या नाम है यार तेरा? Angel. So in 50s and 60s, when we were growing up, there were two pretty prominent colleges, right? At the University of Delhi. There was Miranda House and All Women College. And then there was St. Stephen's and All Men College. And only the competitive men and women, both in looks and brains, got admission in these colleges. So I may be exaggerating this a little bit, and that is my nature, but 90% of it is pretty true. So to impress, just to impress my young crowd, I must mention that I'm a Mirandian. Right? And most Mirandians and most Mirandians and Stephanians got a double take in that day and age. So about 52 years ago, my parents were looking at a few proposals for wedding, right? So I overheard that one of the candidates was from St. Stephen's College. Being a Mirandian, it got my attention, and I asked my mom of this kid's biodata. To me, nothing else mattered, whatever they told me, except the fact that my could-be brother-in-law was a Stephanian, and that only that qualified him to be my brother-in-law. Nothing else. Whether he was an engineer, doctor, or a chhaduwala, it didn't really matter. Just that he was a Stephanian. So needless to say, my sister, being of the same generation, could not wait to meet the Stephanian. And when she did meet this tall, dark, and very handsome young man, it was instant. So it was instant love at first sight for her, right? I know her well. I know. So although the marriage is arranged by the parents, they were very lucky to have courted for 2 years. And for that, thanks to Suresh Bhai, who took a while to find his bride, and their family's desire to marry both boys at the same time. So my brother-in-law was not only tall, dark, and handsome, he also had a great heart and immense love. Respect for elders. Oh, bhaiya, didi hai wo. Any daughter-in-law of mine can touch my feet whenever your heart desires. Because we have to make up for the lost time, right? I haven't had so many people.
Can you have the middle? नहीं echo हो रही है बीच में.
Oh, मैंने कहा शायद पैर छूने आ गई दोबारा. I really don't mind. Blessings are free. So my brother-in-law was not only tall, dark, and handsome, he also had a great heart and immense love, absolutely immense love for movies, outings, and great food. Am I right? Right? Yes. And that love still exists in him today. So it doesn't matter बेचारे कितने भी बुढ़े हो जाएंगे ना, खाना पीना इनका चलता रहेगा. Right? So after their marriage, I too got to enjoy many movies, many dinners, and memorable outings with both of them. They would come all the way from Daryaganj, to Karol Bagh, to just take me to a late night movie after dinner. And many times I would spend nights at their home to save them a trip back to Karol Bagh. So although I don't know how it went at Biti Bhai's house or in Biti Bhai's heart at that time, when these two were united, I can tell you with utmost confidence that Biti Bhai too found a heck of a lady in my sister. Beautiful, both inside and out. She was named Meenakshi because she had and still does the most beautiful eyes of a fish. Woo! Right? And she made a beautiful bride, the most beautiful bride at her wedding, and created a beautiful family for them. Although she was no Mirandian, she was the president of her Daulat Ram College. Not as bright as her younger sister Mirandian, but very brave in keeping family ties and relationships together. Even today, in our family, she is well loved and respected by one and all. Right, Dad? So this is the story of a couple who loved each other from their heart, seeing each other through sickness and in health, in true sense of the word. I would like to end with a short poem written just for them. तो मेरे जीजा हैं बड़े नाजुक, मेरे जीजा हैं बड़े नाजुक, बनाए गए हैं ये ऐसे मेरी जीजी से. मेरे जीजा हैं बड़े नाजुक, बनाए गए हैं ये ऐसे मेरे जीजी से. वो कहते हैं इनसे उछलो, तो ये कहती है हाउ हाई. वो कहते हैं इनसे उछलो, तो ये कहती है हाउ हाई. वो कहते हैं अरे जरा बैठो, तो ये कहती है वो मुझे ना आए. वो कहती है अरे जरा बैठो, तो ये कहती है अरे वो मुझे ना आए. हमारे जीजा बड़े हैं नाजुक, बनाए गए हैं ये ऐसे मेरी जीजी से. एक बात बताएं हम अमेरिका की. Anybody interested? Yes. जीजी की पीठ टूटने पर लाए हम व्हील चेयर. जीजी की पीठ टूटने पर लाए हम व्हील चेयर. बाहर जो लाए हम जीजी को पकड़कर, देखा जीजा बैठे हैं उसकी सीट पर. बाहर जो लाए हम जीजी को पकड़कर, देखा जीजा बैठे हैं उसकी सीट पर. बोले ये जीजी को लंगड़ाते देखकर, बोले ये जीजी को लंगड़ाते देखकर, अरे करो ना जल्दी, खुश करो मुझे, रहम करो इस डिसेबल्ड पर. हुआ था ना ऐसे. बोले अरे करो ना जल्दी, खुश करो मुझे, रहम करो इस डिसेबल्ड पर. मेरे जीजा हैं बड़े नाजुक, बनाए गए हैं ये ऐसे मेरी जीजी से. और योर फॉल्ट. जितने स्लो हुए हैं मेरे जीजा 50 सालों में, जितने स्लो हुए हैं मेरे जीजा 50 सालों में, उतनी फुर्तीली हुई है मेरी बहना इनके कामों में. जितने स्लो हुए हैं मेरे जीजा 50 सालों में, उतनी फुर्तीली हुई है मेरी बहना इनके कामों में. इसकी स्पीड है 100 miles an hour. इसकी स्पीड है 100 miles an hour. फायदा है मेरे जीजे को आवर बाय आवर. बनी रहे ये जोड़ी हजारों साल, लाड़ करती रहे मेरी बहना.
Thank you.